our first time at the Salty Dog, so yeah, thanks so much for having us. This is very cool. I think I've heard like loads about the venue, but haven't actually been. So yeah, it's been fun.
Same. Same.
Nige, you were telling someone earlier that you've been playing punk rock shows for 30 years. Have you not been?
I didn't say 30, I said 13. But it was more close to 18. But not quite 30. So. Yeah. It's lovely though, thanks for having us, like he said. And if you want to step a little bit further forward, that would be great. Come on, Captain, it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday. Sorry, I had a pint or two.
I don't think I've ever heard anyone start off sounding like 50 Cent and then go downhill.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
I would have joined in on the harmonies, but I didn't know what key it was in.
It's completely improvised, I must admit.
But avant-garde jazz, happy birthday.
Right.
Sorry.
This next three songs are off our 2000 EP that we've got over there on the merch table. I think Teenage Bubble Guns have got a few bits and bobs over there as well, right?
Yeah, so we've got a bunch of stuff over there. We've got some free CDs and some not free stuff. Teenage Bubble Guns have got a bunch of merch too. Yeah, so buy some of that so they can get back to Italy and don't have to eat like Wetherspoons every day. Wouldn't force that on anybody. Well, I say I wouldn't force it on anybody, but we have forced it on them all week, so who can believe anything that I say?
It's like a UK tour of Wetherspoons, yeah. You're ahead of me.
Right, we really should play a song now. Routine. I was building on a foundation of sun. I've been showing up every day. I've been analyzing and categorizing. I've been working hard. I'm taking my life apart. I'm looking into myself. I think I'm young. Into myself.